6, our final project.
By Ashley Mays, Carly Matthew, Zach Sauer, and Dalton Detbarn.
Our hypothesis: MFL MarMac high school students spend less than 20% of their total time on their one-to-one laptops for academic use.
Our sample. For Z, we use the value negative 1.645. For P hat, we use the value 0.375. For Q hat, we use the value 0.625. For the margin of error, we use 0.05. And in addition, we use a 95% confidence level.
Alright, to find our sample size, we had to take z squared times 0.25 and divided by the margin of error squared. So we took 1.96 squared times 0.25, and then we divided by our margin of error, which was 0.05 squared. We got 384.16, and you always round up, so we got 380.
Sample size. We chose to survey one advisory room for each grade level. We drew the names of the advisors out of a hat to eliminate bias.
Okay, sample size continued. Due to the fact that our high school has less than the desired sample size, our instructor informed us to use a size more appropriate for our setting. So instead of 385, we used 49.
Statistical analysis.
Alright, our sample mean was 0.375. The total mean that we use in our hypothesis is 0.4. The standard deviation of our sample was 0.248, and we used 49.
Hypothesis testing.
Our claim. All high school students with one-to-one laptops spend less than 40% of their time for academic use on those computers.
H1. P is less than 0.4.
Our opposite claim. All high school students with one-to-one laptops spend greater than or equal to 40% of their time for academic use.
The null hypothesis. P is greater than or equal to 0.4.
The importance of these two values. They clearly state the hypothesis, and they exhibit both sides of the spectrum for us.
We used this equation to find our z-score. So we took our p hat value, 0.375 minus p, all divided by the square root of pq, and divided by 49, which is our number, and we get negative 0.429. So when we put that on the graph, we see that we accept our null hypothesis and reject our claim.
Alrighty then.
Our final conclusion. Our null hypothesis was supported, thus we need more evidence to support our claim. Our claim was rejected, meaning students spend greater than 40% of their time on academic use.
Thank you for watching our slideshow.